8. Do you want to grow your YouTube channel and get 1 view an hour? This site will single-handedly make your channel blow up. So, I'm going to be talking about my favorite option in Tubebuddy. So, my favorite option is going to be keyword search. Keyword search will get you words that will rank you up in YouTube's algorithm, so you will rank better on YouTube. So, like, your videos will be easier to search, and you'll get, of course, more viewers when they're easier to search. Because once you get up like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 videos to the top, once you get the first video to the top, most people click on the first video, and you know you're doing something right then. But definitely, keyword search is definitely the most helpful, in my opinion, because they're giving you words that will rank you up. Like, why wouldn't you buy it? You're gonna get views. You're gonna make money out of this. Why wouldn't, like, I don't understand. So, I definitely think keyword search is the best. Again, here's the list of everything on Tubebuddy's website. I'm not going to be going through everything, of course, but I'll be going through. Is inside of YouTube. When you go onto your YouTube dashboard, you have the option, of course, to, there's going to be like a little pull down inside. If you're on like desktop, there's going to be a little pull down thing. It says TB. You pull it down, and then it has dashboard, my videos, playlist, live streaming, comments, subscribers, analytics, real time, and then extension tools. So it's going to say keyword explorer, video topic planner, tag list, best time to publish a video, and then of course the website, your account, and then the support. And then of course, this is my favorite thing, when you go over to milestones, it's so cool. It tells you your upcoming milestone. So it says that I'm 8 subscribers away from 425 subscribers. I am 335,000 views away from 25,000 views. And then let me jump back here. They also give you this. So when I hit 400 subscribers, they sent me a little thing which has the 400 subscriber list. Like it says, congratulations from Tubebuddy for hitting 400 subscribers, guys. It's amazing. It's really cool. I really like it. But okay, let's jump right into this. So I'm gonna jump into while we're doing that, I'm live on my desktop. You guys won't see it, you'll just see gameplay, but I'm gonna be jumping into Keyword Explorer on, of course, Tubebuddy's website. I wish you guys could see it. So let me just jump into there, guys, and I will be gonna be just like kind of walking you through the website. So website tools. So here are all the tools on Tubebuddy. I'm gonna list them right now, right here. So of course the launchpad. Then you have health report, competitors, brand alert, A/B test, retention, analyze, backup and export, candid response, promo materials, and search ranking tracker. So that's what's on the website tools. So I'm going to click on, of course, the website tools. I'm going to go to Launchpad. So let me just click on Launchpad, guys, quickly. Come on, load up. All right, so we're headed to Launchpad. All right, it's a nice little walkthrough. Why not? You can have a little walkthrough. So we're on Launchpad. My computer, of course, is loading. But again, I'm telling you, link down in the description, install Tubebuddy. So I click Launchpad. I'm going to be going up to, of course, the Launchpad. I think I'm going to probably go to Data Insight. I'm going to try that. Or no, not Data Insight, sorry. I'm going to go back to Home. That's my bad. That's my bad. And then once you go back to Home, you'll see everything. So you'll have all the settings. Again, of course, I have a pro license right now because Tubebuddy, of course, is sponsoring this video. So I have a pro license, and on this like little thing I see inside of Tubebuddy, I see health report, launchpad, competitor, of course a branding alert, and then the retention, and everything's right here, easily set up for you. Everything is easily set up for you, easily like placed out for you, and everything's all Gucci. So it's amazing. It shows you everything you need, and it's very easily laid out. So that's what I really like about Tubebuddy. Like, it's easily, like, you can comprehend it very easily. Like, it's not hard. It's not a big learning curve. It's pretty easy. And of course, I'm affiliated right now, but after this video, I'm going to be sponsored by them. So, of course, guys, make sure you go down below, click the link down below, check out Tubebuddy. it's free, guys. You can literally install it for free. But then I'll jump over to the licenses, just so you guys can get a little estimate on the prices. So I'm gonna be jumping over to licenses. What's it called? Licenses. Okay, there we go. Sorry, guys. This is gonna take a little bit, so I'll be back. Alrighty, guys. So I know what the prices are. They're $4.99, $19.99, and then $49.99. So it gets a little pricey, but guys, I'm telling you, this is gonna help your YouTube grow. I'm telling you this right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, make sure you check out Tubebuddy. Make sure you check out my merch, and also make sure you check the videos on screen. Of course, there is a Roblox video on screen, and also a tutorial video on screen. Make sure you go check them out, guys. They're lit. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.